Hi guys, I have a tip for everyone that has an issue with the start stop valve or on off valve on your Niflisk pressure washer. The issue is when your power washer is powered on and your water inlet is in and you press the trigger, nothing happens. That's down to your start stop valve. What happens is the needle pops out and stays stuck. There's a contact inside there, I can show you in a second, and once that stays on, it basically tells the motor not to power on, just to save it from building up an extra pressure. So what you need to do in this case, you need to pop the cover off. So what I do, you pop the screwdriver and then that pops out. That's how your contact looks like. So the needle presses on the button there and that's your trigger. Okay. For ease, I have an entire motor pulled out from another pressure washer. So you get a 21mm ratchet, you undo it, and what you have there is your start-stop valve, right? It's the second one that does come out exactly the same way. It splits apart, but there's nothing really to go wrong in it. Okay, I'm just going to move that aside. So that's exactly your start-stop valve. If you take it apart, so everyone is pretty much saying, oh, get a new valve, get a new valve. There is nothing really to fail on that fella. So what you have is, you have a plastic housing. Inside there's an O-ring. You have two washers, you have a spring, you have the piston, and you have the O-ring. That's all. There's no such moving parts that will wear and tear, that will cause the plastic to wear out your contact area. So there's nothing really that could be possibly causing sticking. So the only really issue is the piston itself is sticking in the O-rings. That's all. All you have to have is that moving freely. So I have this fella already taken apart and greased it, and that's the second valve, and it did the trick on both of them. So what you want to do when you have them washers, you need to clean all the surface area on both sides. Probably both sides isn't that important as the inside of it. So you want to make sure that everything is moving freely, right? You put the grease or you put the Vaseline inside there on your O-ring. You grease the piston all up. And all you have to do is put it back together. That's all. So you put it back together. Make sure it's all happy. You keep the O-ring in between. Keep the O-ring in between the washer and the head itself, and you screw it back in. Screw it back into the pressure washer, and you pop the switch back on. What I did, I greased that all up as well. It's not an O-ring, but it's like a groove. So just to make it easy to pop in, you pop that back in, and that's all. Initially, the valve felt sticky still when the power washer was triggering. After pressing the trigger, it was kind of sticky. It took half a second to kick in. More I was testing and more I was using, it was only getting better and better. So I'm not sure in this case if the new ones are coming pre-greased and that's why they're working, but I feel like even if you get a brand new one down the line, it will still cause it to stick. So you might as well try, take it apart, grease it all up and see what happens. Worked in my case, worked on two valves, so I'm pretty sure it'll work on more of them. Right, thanks.